The Techserv CNC Plasma Control System is a PC-based motion controller with a user-friendly touchscreen interface. Easy to use with many advanced features, the Techserv CNC sets a new standard in machine control. Designed from the start for profile cutting, the CNC is suitable for plasma, gas, and waterjet cutting applications with motion control and operation optimized for each application. Multiple cutting process combinations are possible, such as plasma and waterjet or plasma and gas on the same machine. The large library of generic shapes makes it easy to draw and cut parts without having to use a CAD system. Parts can be quickly created and cut, or saved for future use and editing. This particular generic shape can be adapted to make a very wide range of shapes. Multiple cutouts, such as slots, rectangles and circles, can be placed within a bounding shape. This can range from rectangles and rhomboids through to L brackets, circles and arcs. Each corner can be toggled between right angle, arc, notch, unequal notch, and angle. In most cases the operator can follow the user prompts. Once defined, the shape can be named and saved. The system has a capacity of over 10,000 shapes. The system includes a comprehensive range of import filters accepting most CNC files, including G-code, word address, NC1, advanced steel, DXF and many more. Once imported, shapes can be scaled, mirrored and rotated. Parts can also be removed from nests for immediate cutting by selecting Cut One Part and touching the required part on the screen. Three types of nesting are available with the Techserv CNC, as follows. 1. Row and column nesting, with mini nesting for combining two identical shapes. 2. Advanced automatic array nesting. 3. True shape automatic nesting. A clip-on camera can follow a line drawn profile and convert it to a CNC file for immediate cutting and DXF for editing with a CAD package. This useful feature allows the operator to hand-draw complex shapes or draw round a template and reverse engineer profiles. The Techserv CNC system includes a comprehensive process database that will preset the major cutting parameters such as speed, pierce height, automatic height, voltage, etc. The system also displays the consumable part numbers. The Techserv CNC can communicate with the plasma pack to set that up as well. When affixed to a gas cutting machine, the system will automatically set the gas cutting pressures, so the operator only has to set the flame. Teachable preheat time and slow pierce simplifies the cutting of thick steel plate. All the process parameters can be adjusted and saved for subsequent use. When the correct material thickness, material type and desired cutting current have been selected, the operator can choose where on the plate to start the cut. The shape can be test run and repositioned if needed. Or the torch can be aligned on the corner of the plate using the built-in alignment laser and the cut started. When cutting a job, the large graphical display with adjustable zoom and automatic panning show the progress of the cut. At any time the process can be stopped and the cut path reversed. This feature is used if the plasma pack stops cutting or the gas cut fails. Parts that would otherwise be scrapped can be completed. Whilst cutting, the plasma height parameters and cut speed can be adjusted. Individual parts can be selected to be cut within a nest and the pierce points selected. Dynamic reposition using the jog buttons give the operator the flexibility to cut parts anywhere on the plate. Back to pierce and back to origin buttons simplify shape navigation. Once a job is cut, the machine can repeat the shape in the same place or in a choice of directions further along the plate. Special features allow the cutting of box section with automatic stop and repeat. The Techserv CNC system also has built-in manual cut capabilities for strip cutting of plates and cutting up scrap. The point-to-point feature is useful for cutting I-beams and haunches. The Techserv CNC system is available with a variety of drive packages from stepper motors to AC brushless. Please contact us for more information.